Hello everyone. I hope you enjoyed my first video and now we'll discuss more about the food facts and figures. In previous video we have used different words like food safety management system, ISO 22000 standards. So we'll discuss about these things also in our upcoming videos. But let me start where we left. In last video, I explained about food definition and origin of foods. So let me move forward with more explanation of origin of foods. Actually, if you think deeply, then you realize that the source of almost all type of foods originated from either animals or plants. If food is processed, then also it contains the ingredients getting from either animals or plants. For example, eggs, milk, meat, and spices, fruits, vegetables. So now here one question would be arising in your mind about vegetarians and non-vegetarian. What is the difference between vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food? So we'll discuss about it in further video. But let me add one more type of food here which is very famous now these days in the world community. That is vegan food. So plant originated food consumed by vegans. Yes, a person who consume only plant based food known as vegan. And there is a twist because vegetarian club is bigger now and categorized as ovo-lacto-vegetarians and lacto-vegetarians. Animal origin food is consumed by non-vegetarians. So let us understand what is vegetarian food. Vegetarian food is based on the food that meets vegetarian standards and does not include meat and animal tissue products in any way. In India, as per Food Safety Standard Act, vegetarian food means an article of food which does not contain whole or part of any animal, including birds, insects, fresh water or marine animals, or eggs, or products of any animal origin, except milk, milk products, honey or beeswax. People who consume eggs, milk and milk products, cheese without animal rennet enzyme use, generally known as lacto-ovo-vegetarians. It is quite famous in Western countries and in India also. You can see many people consume eggs and milk products and they called as a vegetarian, right? So actually they are lacto-ovo-vegetarians. Other category of the people who do not eat eggs but consume milk, honey, and they are known as a lacto-vegetarians. Now vegans, they are purely strictly vegetarian people who refrain from consuming meat, eggs, dairy, even honey also, because these are the animal derived substances. Here the interesting fact is protein content in almonds and walnut is more than the eggs. Such as chicken eggs contains 12.5 gram of protein, almonds 21.1 gram, walnuts 14.7 gram if we calculate per 100 gram parameter. Another interesting fact is in India, as per FSSAI, green triangle symbol identifies lacto-vegetarian food and brown dot symbol indicates non-lacto-vegetarian food. So I have shown to you the categorization in the table. You can see that. Another interesting fact, in Indonesia, vegetarian food is well served and represented, and there are plenty selection of vegetarian dishes, meat substitutes. Dishes such as gado-gado, it's actually an Indonesian salad of slightly boiled steamed vegetable and potatoes, fried tofu served with peanut sauce. Even in 2018, you will see gado-gado was promoted as one of 5 national dishes of Indonesia. On the same time, in Middle East countries, vegetarian food is also very famous, such as falafel, hummus, tahini, and now these days hummus and tahini is also famous in India. So now non-vegetarian food means an article of food which contains whole or part of any animal, including birds, insects, fresh water or marine animals, or eggs or products of any animal origin. Right? It's a simple, means non-vegetarian can eat everything. Everything means including plant, vegetable, fruits, and animal origins food also. Overall, the interesting fact about the non-vegetarian food is that the non-vegetarian dishes have been heavily influenced by the coastal trading as well as immigrant cultures time to time. Famous and known as Arabic cuisine, Mughlai cuisine, Persian cuisine, Portuguese cuisine, and definitely leading to various indigenous forms of Indian cuisine also, like Hyderabadi, Avdi, Kolhapuri, Chettinad. So thank you very much guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video also. Food safety is important, and we'll discuss about the food safety requirements also in our coming videos. Thank you very much guys.